Hello everyone, welcome to Service Book application. Let's overview the screen flow regarding Service Book application. This is the login screen where user can securely log in. This is the sign up screen where user can sign up with their sign up details. You can enter your number according to your choice. You can sign up as a car owner or as a car service center. Currently we are as a sign up as a car owner. Here register successfully. Now I can add my car in add car form or correction the detail. We can add picture for car. Car added successfully. You can add service for this car, basic service according your date time. You can select your service date, whatever amount or kilometer, your current kilometer of my car, next kilometer when this service is occurred, for next tax if any bill. You can add service detail. Here is service list. You can check service detail over here. Add maintenance screen. You can add maintenance detail for any parts changing or whatever you can maintain the service regarding for the car. Dashcam, you can use this form as a dashcam recording for the video. You need to allow some permission for recording. Start recording. You can use while you are running the app. You can play the video again. You can view car speed. Just need to allow location permission. It will show at runtime. Trip tracker from one location to another location. It will display speed and distance while you are running the car or in a running mode, and location. It will track the actual distance and speed at runtime. Current we are at same location, so stop. It will save your trip history over here. You can check it in trip tracker screen. Generate QR code. You can use this form for generate a QR code and use as per your need as a sticker of emergency contact number. साइड मेनू ले लो, फोटोज और ले लो. Reminder screen. Here you can add a reminder for next service or next maintenance according your need. It will play alarm whatever your timing you have set according to that date time. It will play the alarm for the maintenance reminder. Reminder list, whatever you added reminder. It's already saved my parking location. log out from the app. Thank you for using Service Book application. Thank you.